number of process automation projects are selected based on only delivery of cost savings or delivery of productivity improvement. But do not forget, in this process, you might actually kill the customer experience. And we've seen this many a time. The classic example of this is how any financial services organization or your customer service centers in any large sector organization receive the calls from the customers and how they get segregated and directed to various departments. Fantastic automation concept, as it really delivers great cost savings and productivity improvement internally. However, absolutely terrible customer experience and gains huge amount of frustration for customers. So whenever we're actually selecting your process automation projects, customer experience should be at the center of it. And then the secondary priorities should be the cost cutting and productivity improvement. This will actually result into extremely effective and successful process automation outcomes.